Here is the Celestron LensPen, and I just wanted to show you exactly what it looked like here today and just show you basically how to use it. So in terms of size, it's actually really small. As you can see, it fits comfortably in my hand and it fits really nice in your pocket or a bag as well. It's great for that. It's great for carrying around. You barely notice you'll have it with you. Now, this lens pen is such a versatile tool. You can use it basically to clean any lens. So as you can see here, I've got a pair of Celestron Comatron binoculars, which I'm going to be showing you how to kind of clean the lenses and the eyepieces. But you can use this for, telescope lenses, eyepieces, anything with a lens. You could probably even use it on your glasses or something like that. Anywhere you want to kind of protect and remove dust and debris to prevent scratches to those lenses. So what I like about it as well is the actual cleaning device mechanism is stored away, and you just it's accessible via this kind of orange area here. It's just a kind of, you push it up and it releases this little brush, and that brush obviously is very well protected by being kept in there. So it never dries out as well, so it's got this particular coating on it to keep it optimal. And basically, to clean your lenses, to begin with, you just want to use this lens pen. So you just lightly brush and remove any dust or debris that's on those lenses. So you do that basically. It's then recommended to use a solution, and then from there you can use like a microfiber cloth. But it's, as I say, it's a really versatile tool. You could then use that on the eyepieces there. It's very quick and easy to use, stores away nice and easy, lightweight, looks fantastic as well. Obviously you can see it just kind of suits a lot of Celestron products, and it's just ideal really. It does everything I need it to, cost effective. So yeah, I'd strongly recommend the Celestron LensPen if you've got any optics, particularly Celestron binoculars, telescopes, or spotting scopes, or those kind of optics.